Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to review the Bladeless neck cooler. Bladeless means there's no fan that is, spinning like a blade, propeller blade. Alright, so this is a fan to cool you down basically. It goes around your neck and it has air blowing from the side, the back of your neck and the other side. And I believe it pulls in. Oh, it actually also have a fan blowing this way too, towards your chest, I guess. All right, so let's get it started. This is just going to be a quick video. All right, so we chose the non-white color because it feels like it's gonna get dirty and nasty looking if we have the white color. It's hard to clean. So this is the product. It's pretty light. Let's see how many ounces it is. Okay, so it's only 9 ounces. Okay, the rest of the content of the box is basically just a user manual and a USB. This is USB-C, by the way, the newer one, USB-C connector. This is used to charge the fan. All right, so let's go through the manual real quick. Interesting how the manual is from the right to the left. Okay, so we have a lithium-ion battery inside. Some instructions, I guess. Okay, so there's a power switch here. On the back right of the device, and you can also use the power switch to select the level. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory. There's only basically one button to use this, and let's give it a try. Okay, so it goes like this, and the switch is right here. Oops, I got it backward right here. The switch is right here. Okay, and there is a plastic cover here. I'm going to remove that. Okay, so that has the fan in there, inside that cover. Okay, so when I tap over this, that's low, medium, high. So it has 3 speeds, and let me. I have a toilet paper here to give you an idea how fast some of these settings are. So I'm gonna turn it off and then start it from low speed. So I'm just gonna drape it over it. Okay, that's low, so it's barely blowing. That's low. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to medium. Okay, medium is not bad. And then now high. Okay, so that's high speed. Again, low, medium, and high. Yeah, high is actually not bad at all. I can feel air even about 8 inches away. And let me see if there's any air blowing here. Yeah, there's no air blowing here. So these vents here actually sucks in air, I believe. Yeah, they suck in air from here, from the front, and then bring it up to your neck. So all the air are basically blowing through here. Pretty simple device, all plastic, lightweight, chargeable or rechargeable using USB-C. And yeah, Not bad at all. Let me give you the page at Amazon where I bought it from. Okay, so here's the page, and I'm gonna put the link in the description and first comment if you would like to buy it. Hope you don't mind using my affiliate link. It will help me support my channel and keep making these videos. Alright, so basically I chose the dark green cheaper version here, $25.99 or $26 basically. There's also a dark blue for $27. Just a difference in color. Why not save about $9 in my opinion, at least. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. This product here for $26 to keep you cool. I'm using this because we are going to Disney World in July and it is going to be super hot. So my wife bought these to cool us down, and I think it's a really great idea. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as usual, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel for future videos like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.